If you've ever been curious about what 1,000,000 pounds looks like, well, consider your curiosity quenched.
Well, actually it's more like 950,000 pounds.
Apart from that buzzkill, around 950,000 pounds is still a sight to behold and takes far more coordination than you'd think.
The powers that be came to us and said, hey, in the next 2 weeks, can we get this, 942,000 pound crush test planned out and ready to go? And Dirk, being the optimist that he is, yeah, we can do that, definitely.
But let's just put that into perspective. If it's just shy of 1,000,000 pounds, well, that's pretty close to the same weight as 100 adult elephants, 120,000 gallons of water, or the Statue of Liberty, plus her friend. And we can't just put it anywhere.
The only place we could handle that much weight was in Bay 5. We have this jib slab, 4 foot, 30 by 30 piece of concrete. Like, it's massive. Like, you'd be able to handle all kinds of weight.
A collaboration between engineering, project management, and our manufacturing shop rigged all this up in an attempt to test the strength of what the weight rests on.
And the sled itself that we are testing was massive. And the trunnions that go with it were the piece of it that we were trying to test to make sure we'd be able to handle all that weight. Because in the field, we're gonna have to pick up all this weight at the nuclear site.
Naturally, it took a lot of test weights.
And it was every single weight we had here. It was all of them. Moving that much weight, like 40,000 pound weight is, 1 per trailer, 2 per trailer, and that's it. And we needed all together like 50 some weights.
The sled and the large cylinders that you see are components for Job 21901, a job based around a 3-mile island polar crane restoration.
So all that weight is resting on these big, large tubes that are run horizontally below the test sled. And then those tubes are supported by the saddles. And so those saddles imitate the slings that will be seen on site. And so when we do the load test at TMI, this is a very good test here that we can perform at ACECO.
To make sure our products and equipment are of the highest quality, it requires us to push them to the limit. And this time, it sure seems like we did.
All in all together with Ryan collecting all the weights and us moving the sled from Bay 6 to Bay 5 and getting everything prepared, probably around 3 weeks. It was fun, we got it done.